On Monday, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is expected to meet U.S. President Donald Trump. Among the topics they are likely to discuss are further Israeli strikes on Iran and the disarmament of Hezbollah in Lebanon.
Decades of peaceful self-governance, constitutional order, and democratic practice, Somaliland has received its first formal international recognition as a sovereign and independent state. Its development affirms an objective reality that has long existed. Somaliland meets the legal, political, and institutional criteria of statehood under international law.
This is a wonderful day. It's a historic day. And of course, I'll communicate to President Trump your willingness and desire to join the Abraham Accords. So thank you, Mr. President. Please convey my best regards and the best regards of the people of Israel to the people, to the independent people of Somaliland. Thank you, sir. I think this will be a great opportunity for expanding our partnership. We intend to work together with you on economic fields, on agriculture, in the fields of social development, all the things that we hope we can assist you, and we obviously believe in this friendship.
I express my wholehearted appreciation to the State of Israel for its brave decision